Let's get you out the door to check out the forecast with meteorologist Aviana Smith. Good morning to you. We see those flags blowing there behind you.
Good morning to you, Mike and Jasmine. And this is a clear sign that we are dealing with very breezy conditions as we step out the door for our Wednesday morning. Flags blowing very hard in Killeen right now. As we wake up this morning, winds are breezy because a cold front system is crossing, pushing in winds up to 15 miles per hour and gusty above that 20-mile-per-hour mark. It feels great, though, to start off our day at 69 degrees here in Killeen. Like I mentioned, breezy conditions, winds already up to 13 miles per hour. Now out of the west-northwest, which means we have seen that cold front system cross as winds turn out of the north now, stepping through the remainder of the day. Area-wide, we wake up to temperatures in those upper 60s. Across our area. We did see some low 80s earlier in those spots that have already seen that front cross. You're seeing those temperatures drop off, now seeing low 60s across our western counties, and we'll be cool through the morning for all of us. As we step through the day, temperatures will remain near the average. That's the difference from today into yesterday into today, I should say. But one thing that is not changing is our threat for fire danger and high winds. A red flag warning returns to the area along and west of I-35 beginning at 10 o'clock this morning, lasting through 9 o'clock tonight. Now until 9 p.m. there is a wind advisory in effect for all of our counties in our viewing area. So everybody needs to avoid outdoor burning as all of us deal with gusty winds. Already through the morning, we've seen wind gusts as high as 36 miles per hour over our western counties, and this could be the case all day long. We'll see winds calm down just a little bit for our morning hours, but we'll see them pick right back up for the afternoon and evening, and really already into 10 a.m. wind gusts return near that 40-mile-per-hour mark over our western counties. The rest of our viewing area still up to 25 to 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and like I mentioned, this will be the case all day. So you want to watch for possible limbs breaking, possible power outages, and those loose items that could be blown away or blown down the street if you don't secure them or bring those items in, as well as possible dust blowing in across our area once again as we deal with winds remaining gusty throughout our 5 p.m. hour today also. Now, as that front is crossing, it's a dry cold front, which means we're not seeing any rainfall associated with it. That's why we're taking a check of radar. No rain out there to start off our day, and none expected as we go throughout the rest of Wednesday. Mostly clear conditions are on the way once again. We'll see plenty of sunshine as we head into 63 degrees throughout 7 a.m. Stepping into early lunchtime at 70 degrees, 74 for our high today as we return near the average behind today's cold front, and then we move back into the upper 60s by 7 p.m. tonight. We are one day away from the spring season, and we're finally seeing some near average temperatures as we kick off the start of a new season. Beautiful weather stepping into tomorrow, sunny skies and low 70s for highs, but we are going to deal with the return for wildfire danger stepping into Friday as breezy conditions return, lasting through the weekend, and Sunday holds our next chance for stormy weather. We will be weather impact alert, so make sure you keep up with your 6 News Weather Impact team by downloading the free 6 Plus app, where we'll have continued coverage available there, as well as our severe weather special. Also, we'll be back after the break.